Ever feel overwhelmed when choosing the perfect neutral paint color for your home? Fret not, I've got the solution. In this video, I'll unveil the top 10 neutral paint colors of 2024 from Sherwin Williams, transforming your home into a cozy haven. Sherwin Williams, a renowned paint brand, boasts an impressive array of neutral paint options. However, with so many choices, how do you know which one is right for you? Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and discover the top 10 neutral paint colors from Sherwin Williams. Number 1. Accessible Beige Paint Color. Accessible Beige. This warm beige strikes a perfect balance between beige and gray, making it an excellent choice for a variety of rooms. Its subtle warmth can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Whether you're painting a living room, bedroom, or hallway, Accessible Beige provides a neutral backdrop that pairs well with both traditional and modern decor styles. Number 2. Sweater Weather Paint Color. Sweater Weather. This cozy gray is ideal for making any room feel more inviting. It's perfect for living rooms and bedrooms where you want to create a comfortable and welcoming vibe. The soft undertones in Sweater Weather add a touch of warmth to the gray, making it a versatile option that can work with both warm and cool color palettes. Number 3. Mineral Deposit Paint Color. For a modern look, consider Mineral Deposit. This cool gray with blue undertones adds a sleek and contemporary feel to any space. It's perfect for bathrooms and kitchens, where a clean and crisp look is desired. The hint of blue in Mineral Deposit can also complement stainless steel appliances and white cabinetry beautifully. Number 4. Hamburg Gray Paint Color. Hamburg Gray is a deep, moody gray that can add a touch of sophistication to your home. Its rich tone is perfect for accent walls or any space where you want to create a dramatic effect. Pair it with lighter neutrals or metallic accents to make a bold statement that exudes elegance and depth. Number 5. Gray Screen Paint Color. If you're looking to open up a room, gray screen is the way to go. This light, airy gray can make any space feel larger and more expansive. It's a great choice for small rooms or areas with limited natural light. The cool undertones of gray screen can create a refreshing and serene environment, ideal for home offices or bathrooms. Number 6. Serious Gray Paint Color. Serious gray is a bold and impactful color. This strong gray can make a statement in any room, providing a sense of depth and intensity. It's perfect for a feature wall or a more masculine space. Serious gray pairs well with bright whites and darker accents, offering a striking contrast that elevates your interior design. Number 7. White Flower Paint Color. White flower is a beautiful, soft white that brings a sense of light and openness to any space. It's perfect for creating a clean and fresh look in kitchens, bathrooms, and living areas. The subtle warmth in white flower makes it a versatile choice that pairs well with both warm and cool accents, ensuring your space feels bright and welcoming. In number 8. Krypton Paint Color. Krypton is a cool, neutral color with blue-green undertones. It's perfect for creating a serene and calming atmosphere, making it an excellent choice for bedrooms and bathrooms. Krypton's subtle hint of color can add personality to a neutral palette without overwhelming the space, creating a tranquil retreat. Number 9. Magnetic Gray Paint Color. Magnetic Gray is a mid-tone gray that offers incredible flexibility. It works well in various lighting conditions, making it a versatile choice for any room in your home. Whether you have ample natural light or rely on artificial lighting, magnetic gray adapts beautifully, providing a consistent and elegant backdrop. Number 10. Pine Frost Paint Color. Pine Frost. This green-toned neutral brings a touch of nature indoors. It's perfect for those who want to incorporate a subtle hint of green into their neutral palette. Pine Frost works wonderfully in living rooms and kitchens, where it can create a fresh and lively environment while maintaining a sophisticated look. So, which Sherwin Williams neutral paint color will grace your walls? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Hit that subscribe button for more design tips and tricks to turn your house into a home. Thank you.